Hi, this is Dr. Chris Cox with Life Line Wellness Center. So today I want to make sure that you understand why I'm wearing these clothes and not my normal dress clothes. So we're talking to people who have knee problems, ankle problems, hip issues, IT band stuff, arch issues, stuff like that that's keeping you out of the game, right? Or maybe you're just like to live an active lifestyle, like to hike and walk and stuff like that, and you're having these issues. They've been kind of chronic. They're not seeming to resolve. So this is something that over, combined 30 years of experience, we've had a lot of opportunity to solve these problems for people. So we have an event, it's called Arch Madness. It's February 28th. If you've got this kind of stuff going on, or if you know somebody that's got stuff going on and it just won't go away, this is the opportunity to not only learn exactly what's going on or what's creating it, and then actually figure out how to solve it or resolve the problem permanently. So click on the links in the video or wherever you're watching this on Facebook or an email, register for the class, and we'll see you at 6:45 on February 28th, Thursday night.